Texwipe presents Cleanroom Mopping Guide Part 1, How to Select the Right Tools for Cleanroom Mopping. If the cleaning tools have already been defined by your company's SOP, follow it accordingly. If not, review the following video. Choose a bucket system, a mop, and a disinfectant. There are 3, 2, and 1 bucket systems. The 2 and 3 bucket systems are considered more effective than the 1 bucket system. The 1 bucket system promotes faster contamination of the disinfecting solution from the surface. The bucket system may also be plastic. The choice of a bucket system depends upon the type of clean room and process, critical or less critical, cleaning philosophy, task being performed, and/or space constraints. Sterile polyethylene liners may be used in sterile areas to further protect the sterile disinfecting solution. Also, the liners protect the buckets from disinfectant exposure, extend the life of the buckets, and aid in easier cleanup. There are 2 primary types of mops, flat and string. Flat mops are used for floors, walls, and ceilings. Flat mops have a more consistent contact surface for applying a solution or cleaning. Generally, flat mops work better on raised gridded floors, walls, and ceilings. String mops are made of tubular or flat strips of material and generally hold more solution, so a larger area can be covered between re-wettings. Depending on the requirements of your room or process, choose sterile or non-sterile mop covers for flat or string mops. Also, for cleaning walls, use mop covers pre-wetted with 6% isopropyl alcohol. Choose the appropriate solution for your needs. This may be a disinfecting or cleaning solution. When choosing a disinfectant, consider the following: EPA registration, bactericidal or sporicidal action, contact time needed for the product to be effective, one-step cleaning and disinfecting agent, do you need a ready-to-use or concentrated solution, no added dyes and fragrance, flammability, sterility, and others. When choosing a cleaning solution, consider the following: will the solution be used for pre-cleaning or for removing residue, volatile organic compounds or VOCs, flammability, USP compliant components, sterility, and others. Make sure your mop material is compatible with the disinfectant you choose. For example, quaternary ammonium compounds are not compatible with cotton, cellulose, nylon, or rayon materials. Hydrogen peroxide solutions are not compatible with nylon material. Subscribe to the Texwipe channel below to watch other videos. Visit texwipe.com for more information or call 1-800-TEXWIPE.